for the sign of Earth sign. You do have the Hermit and the Eight of Swords. Yeah. Earth sign. For Earth sign, please. Eight of Cups. You're isolating yourself. Nakikita natin yung paglayo or pag-iwas mo. Or pag, you are may pagpipigil na ginagawa with regard sa emotions. Maybe you're moving on. Maybe you're letting go of something na feeling mo para sa'yo. Maybe this person is in the past na parang nakitaan mo ng future or nakita mo na ito yung makakapagpasaya sa'yo or you feel like you need or you want this person. Pero ngayon, you're letting go, iniiwan mo, nilalayuan mo, and then you're just focusing on yourself, and you're just finding the light, which is, yung light is something na makakapagpasaya sa'yo, which is maybe in the past, marami kang pag-iilusyon na ginawa dito sa person na ito, but now you're making changes, mas stricto ka pagdating sa sarili mo ngayon because you want to transform yourself. And I can see actually the planet of Pluto, which is the planet of Pluto, kung alam mo yun ay yung pinakamalayong planet sa mundo. Which is, that is a planet wherein malayo or lumalayo, and that is you. Diba? Parang lumalayo or maybe parang nilalayo mo yung sarili mo dito sa taong ito because maybe you're trying to focus on your inner self, yan, sa sarili mo mismo, and you're finding your own light kasi might be akala mo ito na pala yung light or siya na pala yung makakapagpasaya sa'yo, siya yung kailangan mo, maaaring noon yun yung thinking mo, but now you are, thinking na parang, ay nako, hindi ako pwedeng magpa-imprison or magpakulong sa pag-iisip dito sa taong to. Kailangan kong baguhin ang sistema. And yeah, let's move on. So, sino tong person na kakonect mo for the sign of Earth sign? Yeah, there's the Hermit. I don't know if you're dealing with a Virgo. May nararamdaman akong earth energy. Yeah, maybe an earth sign. You do have here the Judgment, the Devil. Okay. Five of Pentacles, the Seven of Wands. Itong person na to, the moment na you walk out sa kanya or pinili mong mag-focus sa sarili mo, sa buhay mo, ito naman yung moment na nagkaroon ng awakening or pagkagising dito sa person na to. Pwedeng na-realize niya, wait lang, parang gusto pala talaga kita, parang ikaw pala talaga, parang ganon. Lalo na with the Devil, nakakita tayo ng parang star doon sa kanyang chest or sa kanyang nakatattoo sa kanyang puso. And that is you. The star is maybe ikaw yung pangarap or gusto ng person na ito, but then masyado siyang nagpaka-devil sa connection ninyo, yung parang nagmatigas or something na pwedeng ang nagpapasaya sa kanya is pag nasasaktan ka. Maybe you're dealing with someone who is narcissist, or maybe in a way na parang feeling niya mahal na mahal mo siya, no? Kasi I don't know, maybe hindi kasi siya masyadong gumagawa ng ikakasaya mo, or wala talaga siyang ginagawa at all in the past. And because of that, no, na-realize niya na wala ka na, hindi ka na nagpaparamdam or hindi ka na gumagawa ng actions, this person bigla nagkaroon ng pagbabago, bigla siya nalungkot, nasaktan. And then, with the Seven of Wands, I feel like tinatry niyang i-ignore or wag pansinin yung feeling na yon, yung pag-alis mo. Pero deep inside, this person is hurt. Hindi niya maiwasang hindi maisip or maalala yung regarding sa ending ninyong dalawa. Because in reality, this person has a lot of emotions with you with the King of Cups. So talagang mahal ka pala niya, no? Kaya lang, hindi niya masyadong pinansin yung emotion na yon in the past, no? Dahil pwedeng iba yung pananaw niya sa buhay noon. Okay, let's move on. Emotions. Emotions niyo sa isa't isa. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of earth sign, please. For the sign of earth sign, you do have the Ace of Wands and the King of Pentacles. Okay. One more card para sa emotion mo sa taong to. Okay, emotion mo para sa kanya. You do have the Eight of Pentacles. And the Ten of Swords. Wow, why? Okay. Okay. Bottom of the deck, Ace of Wands, Ace of Cups, and the Five of Cups. Okay, but anyway, kukunin ko na rin yun sa side ng person mo. Emotion niya para sa'yo. Okay, you do have here the Knight of Wands, the Strength card, the Queen of Swords, and the Two of Wands. Okay. Bottom of the deck, there's this, the Lovers. This is Gemini energy. Ace of Wands, I feel like what you want now is action. Maybe you're still there, willing na makipag-connect or communicate dito sa person na ito. Kung maggagawa siya ng action. Kung siya itong maggagawa ng communication na ito, like, if this person will choose na magparamdam or gumawa ng action regarding sa pakikipag-communicate sa'yo, then you are still willing na makipag-connect or communicate dito sa person na to. Kasi honestly, with the Eight of Pentacles, although nag-focus ka sa iyong career, sa iyong money, and maybe although ini-end mo ang relationship or connection dito sa taong ito, nandun pa rin yung gusto mo pa rin siya eh. Diba? Hindi mo pa rin mawawala yun. Especially if with the Ace of Cups na nagpakita sa bottom of the deck kanina, you love this person. Mahal mo siya. Okay? Pero for now, maybe you're choosing to love yourself. And pagdating sa person na ito with the Knight of Wands, there's a lot of passion here. There's a lot of love mula dito sa person na ito. And with the Strength card, I feel like malapit nang matapos sa sarili niya. Or malapit nang magkaroon ng transformation or pagbabago dito sa person na ito. I feel like there's a lot of love mula dito sa taong to, pero mas ipinapakita niya na parang hindi, parang ganon, hindi kita gusto, hindi kita mahal, or maybe hindi katulad ng attraction na nararamdaman mo para sa akin yung nararamdaman ko para sa'yo. Pwedeng ganon, pwedeng pinapakita, but all of that is like kasinungalingan mula sa person na ito, pwedeng pagtatago. Because with the Queen of Swords, pwedeng may mga bagay siyang gustong ma-cut off muna before niya, bago niya completely ma-reveal or masabi sa'yo yung kanyang emotions. Kasi itong taong ito, ayaw niyang magpakita ng kahinaan. Okay, and maybe not unless natapos or na-cut off na yung mga bagay na dapat i-cut off. And nagkaroon ng pagbabago. Pwedeng itong person to feeling niya, nagiging mahina siya. The Two of Wands, yeah. This person is missing you. Alam niya rin yung pag-iwas or yung pag-isolate mo na ito. Masakit para sa kanya. And I feel like may plano siya in the near future for you, for this connection. Regarding sa emosyon ninyo dalawa, you do over the Lovers. Again, sa Sagittarius energy, I can feel the energy of Sagittarius. I don't know. Maybe you're dealing with the Sagittarius, but anyway, the Lovers is Gemini. Or pwedeng yung kung alam mo yung iyong natal chart, maybe check your South Node and North Node, or kilala rin yan bilang Rahu and Ketu. Check that. Dahil maaaring your Rahu or your Ketu is nasa Gemini or nasa Sagittarius. Okay, wait lang guys, inom lang ako. Anyway, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? It over the 5 of Cups, 6 of Wands, the 10 of Wands, King of Cups, and the Ace of Cups. Okay. The Lovers is here, 4 of Wands. Four of Cups, okay. And the Knight of Pentacles. I want to clarify what's with the 5 of Cups. Okay. This is the 3 of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I can see you na maaaring meron ka mga bagay na babaguhin or aalisan with the 10 of Wands. And I feel like with the 6 of Wands, this is you na nagfo-focus ka sa sarili mo. This is you na mas importante sa'yo ang... I feel like you will get a lot of recognition sa mga bagay na ginawa mo. Marami ang makakapansin sa'yo. Pero parang wala kang pakialam sa sasabihin nila or sasabihin ng iba. It's just that you are following your heart. With the Ace of Cups, there's a new beginning for you pagdating sa love. And sabi ko nga, this time, ang pipiliin mo na or ang path na kukunin mo is yung path wherein alam mong ito talaga yung gusto mo, ito talaga yung mahal mo. The 3 of Pentacles, maybe there's another connection or communication in the near future para sa'yo. And pwedeng may mga taong hindi matuwa doon sa connection na yun, but you don't care anymore. It's like, this is showing us, alam mo yung stoplight. Yeah. And walang makakapigil sa connection na ito with this person. It's like there's growth pagdating sa person or a new person is coming to your life para ituloy yung mga minsan na naudlot sa inyo. And I feel like no one is going to stop this connection from happening. With the 4 of Wands, I can see stability, I can see happiness. Both of you might be leaving something behind. So, meron kayong mga iiwan or aalisan, pareho kayo. And with the Lovers, I can see a beautiful connection sa inyong dalawa. Wherever you go, kung saan ka man pumunta, sasama or susunod itong taong ito. And I feel like whatever is in the past na nasa imahinasyon lang, ilalagay na ito sa realidad. And I feel like this new beginning, magbibigay ito ng malaking pagbabago sa inyong dalawa. And I feel like both of you will try to reach your goals together kahit mahirap makuha, no? Parang at least I'm here, you're here, ganyan. It's a power couple energy, no? So, yeah, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.